Hello guys, Abhinav here. We're going to discuss 8 word tips and tricks to actually enhance your documents. So you could use these tips and tricks to enhance your documents. It's a variety of tips and tricks. So it's not only focused on one problem, but it's a variety overall on Word. So uh, those 8 tips and tricks, I've also put timestamp so you can jump around in the video left and right. That's your wish. And let's jump onto the PC. Now have a look. Word tips and tricks. We're going to look at 8 tips and tricks. In fact, let's add the word 8 here. Okay? So the first one is change your background color of Word. Let's say you work till late night or in the early morning. You've just slept and woken up. And you see this white color doesn't look really good. So I'm going to hit on file. I'm going to hit on options. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, I'm going to hit on file. I'm going to hit on account. And in office theme, I can choose dark gray if I want. This looks a little better. Or I could choose black, a full black background. Or maybe a white, just a full white background. It was colorful a little bit inside, but let's say we choose black. Now you see everything has changed to black and the letters have changed to white by automatically. I didn't do anything. And let's say one more thing. You want to print document or hit Control P. Will it actually be blue? Black at the background, or will it change the color? It will change back to white. You don't need to worry about that. You just hit Control P and automatically the paper will change to white. Otherwise, black doesn't look nice, right? On the paper. Number 2, PDF into Word. Before I go to PDF into Word, let me just change it back to colorful. Okay, PDF into Word. Let's say I bring a PDF into Word and I start editing within Word. Here's PDF into Word. I'll hit on File. I'll hit Open. Okay, before I hit Open, I want to show you the PDF that I'm going to actually put on Word. Okay, this is just a little paragraph on the RTL 2022 options. So it's a photo, remember. It's a PDF in a photo. That's why I can't copy anything. It's a photo. It's not text. It's just about the IPL photo. Let's say I go back to Word and I say open. And I say I open doc. Remember that. I just say don't show specific and fine. That's fine. Now, Word doesn't bring the document as a photo, but as letters. So I know a few letters are actually a little bit older, right? T, H, E. So and I can start deleting letters. This is huge, right? How is Word actually analyzing which is the text in the photo and actually bringing it into Word? So that is what Word is doing, analyzing it and bringing it into Word. Number 3, using clipboard. Let's say I copy this and I copy this as well. Now I'm going to paste it here, but the latest one gets pasted. Let's say I want to paste the other one as well. Now I know what you could do is you could hit Windows D and you get it pasted, right? Let's not use Windows. Let's see if Word has its own clipboard. So I hit on paste, I hit on the down arrow, and I say, this is our paste option. This is merge, this is picture, and this is, if I click on paste, it is here. So now I want paste to actually show me all the things I've got. How do I actually make that happen? For that, I click in the clipboard, you see this little thing here. I click on that. So these two are the items I copied in. If I click on this pasted. If I click on this, one second. This is actually what has happened was I used uh, the cursor was placed here and not there. That's fine. The cursor is back here, and if I click on this space. If I click on this space. If I click on this space, and if I click on this space. So you don't always need to use Windows V. You could also use the normal the clipboard that Word actually gives you. Number 4, use formulas to calculate values. Now I've got this kind of a table here wherein I put name of goods and cost. All this is in Indian rupee. A laptop costs 50,000 rupees, a mouse costs 3,000, printer 3,000, and a headphone 1,000 pounds. So 50,000, 2,000, 3,000, 1,500. Now, what would you normally do? You would normally go to Excel, make a table, Excel, put all these data in Excel, bring that into Word. But now you can do formulas in Word. Let me show you. Just click on the cell where you want the formula to be. It's not something called the cell, the address. I go to the table layout tab, and under the data section, formula. The data section formula, and just tell you that you don't need to always do sum. You can do if statements, you can do in, you can do max, you can do minimum, you can do mod, you can do product. So it really doesn't always need to be a formula. You can do products, mods, min, max, everything you can do. So I hit on OK. This is the cost. And if you notice, the comma comes as well in the right place. The comma comes correctly in this place. 50,000 units, 50,000, comma, after 3 places from the right. The comma must be placed after 3 places from the right. Number 5, translator. Now, what would I normally do if I want to translate this line? Hello, this is Abhinav. I would go to maybe translate, that's Google Translate, copy it, and paste it in here. So right now, Word has their own inbuilt translator. So I highlight the text. I'll go to the references tab. Sorry, not references. The review tab, and click on translate. I can translate this only section, or I can translate the whole document. I've clicked only this section right now, and I can translate from English maybe to Hindi. So Namaste, yaha Abhinav hai. Or maybe I could translate to maybe, let's say, French. Let's try French. Let's see what French happens. Bonjour, sir, Abhinav. So let me insert this, and when I insert this, it comes up. It actually changes value. Bonjour, yes, Abhinav. So that is what Translator can do. Number 6, citations and bibliography. Okay, now let's say this bonjour is Abhinav. I'm going to just undo that. And hello, this is Abhinav. I want to put a citation. Let's actually get a quote from here. Let me paste it. Let me paste this quote. Yes, I've pasted this quote in. This quote is said by Rahul Dravid. You don't win or lose games because of the 11 you select. You win or lose with what those 11 do on the field. Seriously, that's what he says. You don't win because of the 11 you select. You win or lose because of what those 11 do on the field. Now, I need to cite this because I have used Rahul Dravid's quote. So I go to references and I say citation. Okay? So I can say insert citation, and I'm going to say add a new source. So I have no website or anything as such. We can just say I have got it from maybe document from the website, right? I've got it from the web, in fact, not from a website as well. I'll just say I got it from the web. That's it. Okay. Now, author is Rahul Dravid. you type in Rahul Dravid. Okay? So you can put the name of the web page, name of the site, year, month, day, URL, whatever. And I can say okay. Now this work is cited by Dravid and D. Okay? So let's one second down there. One stop delete that and I'll just reload this box so I can keep using this one. So Dravid. This is a quote by him. This is how you do citations. And what is bibliography is basically all the citations in your page put together. So all the citations in your page put together is bibliography. So our first bibliography is Rahul Dravid's quote. That is what is called bibliography. Number 7, format data. Now this is a very good one. In fact, I like it because it helps in a lot of things. Let's say I formatted this and I'm going to say, okay, let me clear formatting. So, yeah, this is my YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and cheers. Now, for this, let me put it into separate lines. So I'm going to put this into separate lines. Now, let's say I want to actually format this with the same thing. What do? I click anywhere in this. I'll click on Format Data, hold it, click on this. But now when I hold this, nothing happens. And it is really hard for me to every time go to Format Data, come and format this and again do it. Is there an easier way? How can I do it? So I just format this and click on Format Painter twice. 1 second. If I click on the Format Painter twice, 1, 2, that locks the format. Now even if I click on this, formatted that fine. I click on this, it formatted that one, and I click on this, it formatted that. Okay, 1 second. I might have clicked outside, which I shouldn't have, in fact. Yeah, I formatted this, and if I go click somewhere else, it's actually fine. That's it. I click back on Format Painter, and that's gone. In document. Now, if I go to file, I have these lots of documents which I can't keep finding out. So I can just say thin this out. If I thin this out, and if I want to find this very quickly, I can open a lot of documents. I can just go to the Thin tab, and here we go. I just thinned it. So that is what is another technique of Word. If you just pin all your important documents, maybe 2 or 3, but you actually open 10 in a day. So these are the most important. You pin them and keep it so you don't really need to search among those 100 documents you have. So with that, the word tips and tricks has come to it. Yes, that will be the end of 8 tips and tricks of Word. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also please comment on which tips and tricks should you add to this list, or which I have missed out, and which you think is a trick in Word or a tip for other people, and also which tips and tricks or which tip and trick do you find the most fascinating. Please put them in the comment section below. If you want any more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and if you want me to cover on any other topic, please put that topic in the comment section below, and I will try to cover that as well. So without wasting any more time, see you in the next video. See you for now. Bye.